If you're a fan of the Golf GTI, you're going to want to hear this. The VW Golf R is getting a serious upgrade for 2025, and it's packing more power, fresh looks, and some cutting-edge tech. Let's dive in. First off, under the hood, the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is getting a boost, 13 extra horsepower to be exact. That means this already fast ride is about to get even quicker. For context, the previous Golf R hit 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. So imagine shaving a couple of tenths off that time. Pretty impressive, right? But it's not all about speed. On the outside, VW is introducing a bold new look. We're talking about an updated front end with a light-up VW badge. Yes, it glows. Redesigned headlights and reworked bumpers. The taillights have been revamped too, and the new 19-inch Warmenau wheels, named after the town where VW's R division is based, are not just stylish, they're lighter, making the car even more agile. For those who like their rides stealthy, the all-new Black Edition trim brings a whole lot of attitude. Expect blacked-out badges, brake calipers, exhaust tips, and wheels. And yes, US drivers can get their hands on this sleek package. Inside, VW didn't hold back either. The new Golf R features a larger 12.9-inch infotainment screen with updated software and an upgraded voice assistant. Plus, they've tweaked the steering wheel controls to prevent those accidental drive mode switches. A small but appreciated change for anyone who's been in that frustrating situation. One change that might divide fans. The manual transmission is gone. Now the only option is the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. It's quick and smooth, but we know some of you are going to miss the stick shift. The 2025 Golf R is set to hit US shores in early 2025, with pricing expected to tick up slightly from the 2024 model's $47,690 starting price. Stay tuned for more details later this year. What do you think about the updates? Is the Golf R living up to the hype? Drop your thoughts below.